Hi, welcome to Cycl'n Vancouver. My name is Steve. If you like lasagna bolognese, I think you'll absolutely love this dish. Now, I was inspired to create this dish after watching one of the most amazing food videos I've ever seen on YouTube. If you are not familiar with Almazan Kitchen, you really should check out their channel. I will leave the link in the description below. After watching their take on lasagna bolognese, I really wanted to make it, but since I live in a condo in downtown Vancouver, cooking on an open hearth fire just isn't practical. So I came up with this instead to use what I had available to me. I hope you enjoy it. I made this dish for Valentine's Day, and my spouse raved about it. Of course, she always says I should try American Idol, so I do wonder about her judgment. Be careful not to oversalt the dish. I only added 1 teaspoon of salt and it is plenty. You can always add more later on if desired.